You talk about the multiverse. You might think of Hollywood science fiction movies, fantastic plot, countless parallel worlds. Each of you leads a completely different life. However, the concept of a multiverse is not limited to fictional fantasies. He is deeply rooted in the theoretical framework of modern physics. In physics, the concept of a multiverse involves 4 different theoretical models. The first is the magic multiverse. Magic City Cloud Universe, based on explicit theory, think of our thinking universe may be one, a demon floating in a higher realm. Other similar demons could exist as a separate universe, form multiverses parallel to each other. The second is the cyclic multiverse. The theory holds that the universe goes through an infinite cycle of expansion and contraction. Each contraction triggers a new Big Bang, and it creates a new universe. These universes exist sequentially in time, rather than deformation. And the third is the quantum multiverse. Quantum multiverse is the many-worlds interpretation derived from quantum mechanics. Propose each quantum event will cause the universe to split into multiple parallel branches. And finally, the exploding multiverse. This theory is based on the theory of cosmic explosions. Propose the rapid expansion of the early universe, maybe in different areas. Do it at different speeds, forming countless bubble universes. In 4 models, motorcycle multiverse and cyclic multiverse, although it makes some mathematical sense, but there is a lack of evidence to support it. For example, explicit theories require additional spatial dimensions, and our experiments never detected those dimensions. Cyclic multiverse, the current universe, contradictory observations of continued accelerating expansion. Therefore, we will focus on the latter 2 today. Multiverse concept. First, the quantum multiverse. To understand the quantum multiverse, we need to understand the fundamentals of quantum mechanics. On a microscopic scale, particles such as electrons, photon, or round, when being measured or with other particles, before subinteraction, it's in a state called superposition. In this state, particle properties such as location, spin, or energy is indeterminate. It exists in the form of a probability distribution. In other words, we can only calculate the possible states of particles. It is impossible to predict the exact outcome before measurement. This uncertainty is not a limitation of measurement techniques. It's the nature of the world. We know. In classical mechanics, we can use the formula accurately predict the trajectory of an object. But the behavior of particles in quantum mechanics, it becomes unpredictable. Its probabilities are more like waves. Only if we take measurements, the state of the particle will be paralyzed, shrink to a certain value. And this is known as wave function collapse. However, according to the many worlds interpretation, the wave function may never collapse. Instead, every quantum interaction would cause the universe to split into multiple branches. Each branch corresponds to a possible outcome. In our universe, we only observed one of these results, but other results in other parallel universes, it's real. Suppose an electron spins up with a 50% probability of spin down. According to the many worlds interpretation, when we measure electrons, the universe will split into 2 branches. Electrons spin up in one branch. It's like Schrödinger's cat. When you open the box, 2 worlds appear. A world of dead cats, a world of live cats. Strange as the idea might sound, but the many worlds interpretation is mathematically correct. And it avoids the mystery of the greedy shuttle of the wave function. According to statistics, about 30% of physicists support this explanation. They believe that the many worlds interpretation is quantum mechanics' simplest. If the theory is correct, then every quantum event will give rise to new branches of the universe, create countless versions of you. In some universe, you may be an actor, athletes, and even national leaders. As long as it doesn't violate the laws of physics, almost every possibility it can be implemented in one branch or another. But the quantum multiverse also has a key limitation. These universes are separated by information. We can't interact with them, can't verify their existence. In addition, another scientific basis for the multiverse from the theory of cosmic explosions. It's an important addition to the Big Bang model. The Big Bang theory holds that the universe began about 13.82 billion years ago, extremely hot spot. Then it keeps expanding, form the universe we see today. However, some observations, like the various properties of the universe, uniformity of microwave background radiation, can't be explained by the Big Bang theory alone. Explosion theory proposes, in the short time after the Big Bang, the universe underwent an exponential expansion. This rapid expansion, not only does it explain the uniformity of the universe, still care, and the formation of the heart click provides the seeds. Now, the explosion theory is supported by multiple pieces of observational evidence. For example, the characteristic patterns of the cosmic microwave background radiation. And according to the explosion theory, in the early universe, explosions in different areas may proceed at different speeds. It's even ongoing in some areas. Due to the randomness of quantum mechanics, the explosions stopped in some areas, form a self-contained bubble universe, and continue to expand exponentially in other regions, produce more bubble universes. These bubble universes, the space in between is still expanding. New bubble universes are constantly forming. It's an infinite multiverse. Our universe is just a million bubbles, one in the foam universe. These bubble universes may contain an exact copy of our universe, similar to a branch in the quantum multiverse. Similar to the quantum multiverse, exploding multiverse, the bubbles are separated by information. Due to the distance between them, beyond the speed of light, we cannot observe or visit other bubble universes. So even if there are countless copies of you, they are also irrelevant to us. But despite the quantum multiverse and the explosion, the multiverse is based on widely accepted scientific theories, but many scientists remain unconvinced by the concept of a multiverse. They were skeptical. The reason is that these multiverses cannot be directly verified or political commissar. We can only observe a limited amount of the observable universe, no access to information about other universes. This also makes the multiverse more like it's a philosophical proposition,